When a product is meant to keep you safe, but instead causes harm, it's more than just a mistake. It's a matter of accountability. The Taylor Phosphate Test Kits, commonly used for testing pool, spa, and aquarium water, have recently been recalled due to a serious safety issue. The problem lies with the reagent bottle containing sulfuric acid, an ingredient that should be securely sealed in child-resistant packaging, as required by law. However, these bottles were sold without the necessary safety features, leaving children exposed to the risk of chemical burns or worse. For nearly 2 years, from August 2022 to August 2024, these test kits and replacement bottles were sold across the country, putting families in danger. And it wasn't until March 2025 that a recall was issued. If you've been impacted by a chemical burn or injury from these test kits, you are not alone. Schmidt & Clark's experienced product liability team is here to help. We're taking action nationwide, helping victims of dangerous products like this one. If you or someone you love suffered injuries after using the Taylor Phosphate Test Kit, reach out to us today for a free consultation. Your case deserves to be heard, and we'll fight to get you the justice you deserve. Schmidt & Clark, helping individuals and families since 1992.